As in this game is stupid.
Hey, shut up, boy.
Yeah, Bart. You're supposed to be developing verbal abilities for your big aptitude test tomorrow.
We could look this id thing up in the dictionary.
We got one?
I think it's under the short leg of the couch.
Id, along with the ego and the superego, one of 3 components of the psyche.
Get out of here.
My turn. Quijibo. K-W-Y-J-I-B-O. 22 points, plus triple word score, plus 50 points for using all my letters. Game's over, I'm out of here.
Wait a minute, you little cheater. You're not going anywhere until you tell me what a Quijibo is.
Quijibo. A big, dumb, balding North American ape with no chin.
And a short temper.
I'll show you a big, dumb, balding ape.
Uh-oh, Quijibo on the loose.
Come on, Japan will be fun. You like Russia, Mom?
That's not how I remember it. Besides, if we want to see Japanese people, we could have gone to the zoo.
Homer!
What? The guy who washes the elephant is Japanese. His name is Takashi. He's in my book club.
Look, Mom, the safety instructions are written in haiku. Fasten seatbelts tight. Your seat cushions float gently. Headsets $5.
Sir, it is not safe to use electronic devices yet.
You're the waitress.